Ever wake up and just feel off, snapping at everyone around you? That's probably being cranky, and today we're going to uncover exactly what that means. The word is cranky, a short, punchy word that captures that irritable, moody feeling we all experience sometimes. Being cranky isn't just being grumpy. It's a mix of irritability, impatience, and moodiness, often triggered by things like lack of sleep, stress, or even hunger. It's that little emotional storm inside you that makes small annoyances feel huge. Think about it. You skip breakfast, spill coffee on your shirt, and suddenly everyone seems annoying. That's your cranky mode in action. Or maybe it's just after a long day at work. Everything feels heavier, sharper, and more frustrating than usual. So, here are 5 conversational examples. I'm feeling cranky today, so I might need some alone time. Don't be cranky just because your phone died. It happens. After staying up late, I get really cranky in the morning. He was cranky all day, snapping at the smallest things. I get cranky when I'm hungry, so always keep a snack handy. Now you know what cranky really means. Try using it in your conversations today. Describe your moods, notice it in friends or family, and see how it changes the way you communicate. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share if you want more words that spice up your English.